All right, guys, this is the last video of this topic, chapter 10, section 4. And this is going to be having some sort of table that expresses the outcomes of a probability experiment, or a random experiment, if you want to call it that. It says a coin is tossed 3 times. An outcome is represented by the string of the sort heads, tails, tails, or HTT, meaning a head on the first toss, followed by 2 tails. There are 8 outcomes. The 8 outcomes are listed in the table below. Note that each outcome has the same probability for each of the 3 events in the table. Check the outcomes that are contained in the event. Then, in the last column, enter the probability of the event. Please enter in a reduced probability and as a fraction. Now, event A says a tail on both the first and last toss, which means the option must have a tails first and a tails last when I look at it. That is going to be the option of TTT, a tails first and a tails last, and the option of THT, tails first and tails last. The probability of having a tails on both the first and last tossed is going to be 2 out of 8, and 2 eighths can be reduced to a fourth. Event B says exactly 1 head. So look for all the options that have only 1 H in it. That is going to be the option of TTH, HTT, and the last one is going to be THT. All of the options I selected for the second row has exactly 1 head. That's 3 eighths. And I cannot reduce that fraction. Event C says a tail on the last toss or the second toss or both. So there must be a T that comes second, a T that comes third, or a T in the both second and third spot. So let me change the color here. This one counts because there's a T in the second spot. This one counts because of the T that's in the second and third spot. That one counts. That one counts. That one counts. That one counts. These 2 do not count because there's not a tails in the second or third toss or both. That is 6 options selected out of 8. So the probability is 6/8, which we're going to reduce to 3/4. And that is it to this problem. So guys, I hope you understood the process to it. Hope it makes sense. And hope you enjoyed the video and understood chapter 10, section 4, which will appear on your exam. I'll see you soon. Take care.